before I give you shortcut for rectangles counting, let me check your concept of geometry and mensuration. I give you two statements. Just think about these two statements and you have to tell me correct or wrong, true or false. My first statement is every rectangle is square. Every rectangle is square. हाँ जी, दिव्याम saying correct, आयुषी saying yes, कुछ लोग yes की फेवर में है. Rectangle means all angles are 90 degree, opposite sides parallel and equal. This is rectangle, but it is not square. Every rectangle is not square. Okay, because in square all sides equal. One extra property we have. ये तो होना ही चाहिए, but other than all sides equal are also important. So every rectangle is square, it is wrong. This rectangle is not square. Second statement here is every square is rectangle. Yes, this is square, but this is rectangle as well. So every square for sure is rectangle. It have one extra property that all sides equal, but this is rectangle, you cannot deny. Rectangle के लिए what is important? All angle 90 degree, opposite side parallel and equal. Yes, this is rectangle. So for rectangle counting, like here, this is 2 by 2 figure, type 1. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, where number of column is equal to number of row. We have n by n figure. But first I tell you the manual counting. Like here we will do manual counting. This is rectangle number 1. Some student they say this is square, but this is rectangle also. Square तो है, but ये rectangle भी है. This is rectangle number 2. This is rectangle number 3. This is rectangle number 4. Because every square is rectangle. अगर ये square है तो rectangle होगा ही होगा. So there are 4. Then we have this size 5, 6. Then I have this 7, 8, and then I have this bigger one 9. So in this given figure we have 9 rectangles. 9 rectangles. But believe me, if it will be a bigger figure 4 by 4, 5 by 5, if you will do manual counting, that will take 7 to 8 minutes. So we will work on shortcut when it is n by n figure, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Here our shortcut is for rectangle. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. It is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Sum of first n a natural number into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of n natural number. Value of n can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Okay. Like this is 2 by 2 figure. So value of n this question is 2. So our shortcut says bracket start 1 plus 2 bracket close into second bracket start 1 plus 2 bracket close. So this is 3 into 3 9. So either you do manual counting or you use shortcut, we get 9 rectangle in the given figure. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Wait, let me take next question. Now this is 3 by 3 figure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 by 3 figure, so value of n is 3. So bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 bracket close, second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 3, 6 into 6, we have 36. In the given figure we have 36 rectangles. Let me take one more. If it is 4 by 4 figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 by 4 figure. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3, 6, 10 into 10, 100. So in the given figure, we have 100 rectangles. So n by n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n into second bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Now my question to you. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 by 5 figure. Either you can use this shortcut or you can do manual counting. I'm not forcing you to use this shortcut. Anytime you can do manual counting because that is your fundamental right. But believe me, if you do manual counting, that will take 7 to 8 minutes and chances are very less you will get correct answers. Correct answer आने के भी chances कम है. So this is 5 by 5 figure. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this is 3, 6, 10, 15 into 15, 225. I think all of you would answer 225. Next question. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 6 by 6 figure. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. This is 21 into 21. 21 square. And here one more homework for you. 2 square to 25 square value has to be on your tips. 2 cube to 12 cube value has to be on your tips. पता होना चाहिए आपको 21 square is 441. Even 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 10. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You should know 32 is 2 is to power 5. 64, you should know it is 2 is to power 6. 128, 2 is to power 7. So you should know all these things on its face. So this is type 1 in case of rectangle. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. You put a note because I take one miscellaneous question, थोड़ा सा lengthy ले लेता हूँ. Rule of counting principle. Rule of counting principle. Sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number. Where we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Formula hereby n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n natural number. This is school formula. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You write in note separately. ये अलग है मतलब rectangle counting से. but this formula will help you out. Or the point is you should know this, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now my question to you, in a figure there are 15 column and 15 row. There is one figure where we have 15 column and 15 row. Count what are the maximum number of rectangle possible. So maximum number of rectangle possible with this 15 row and 15 column. 120 is wrong answer. This is 15 by 15 figure. So according to our rule, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15 into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15. 225 is very wrong. वो तो बहुत ही wrong है. So here this is sum of first 15 natural number. It is 15 into 16 divided by 2. No need to do manual counting. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 14 15, because that will waste your time. So this is 120 into 120. So your answer is 120 into 120, 12 into 12, 144, and there are 2 0. So in that figure there will be 14,400 rectangles. 120 तो सिर्फ एक ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू है सर जी. 120 come from this bracket and 120 come from this bracket. Actually answer will become 120 into 120. Or if you are not able to understand, then you waste your time. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 14 15. You add. Here also you add. Then you get a total 120 into 120. So your answer is 120 square. And 120 square is 14,400.